Let's talk about blind boolean based SQLi. I will teach you these things after this, okay? Don't worry. So I'll open first lesson 8. I'll give question mark id equal to 1. I'll do a backslash there. It just hided something. It won't give you any error, okay? It haven't give me any error. So there may be blind based or there may be union based also. So see, if I'm trying for fixing single quote minus minus plus, it's fixed now, okay? Now let's try here order space by space 10. So 10 is not there. Again, it's not giving me any error like unknown column something. It's just communicating with the true and false value. See this? See 3, it just came in, you are in. 4, it just came, you are out now. So they are just communicating with the true and false. So in that case, there may be blind boolean. So for blind boolean, what you have to do, you can give fixing is necessary, balancing query is necessary. After balancing query, you can give and 1 equal to 1. If you are getting true page, great. You have to also check for and 1 equal to 2. If you are getting false, then you are on the right track, okay? See this, if I mean and 1 equal to 1, it's giving me you are in, okay? It's working now. If I'm giving 1 equal to 2, false. So we are on the right track now. Now how to find database? This is a very big challenging for blind base because it only communicating with the true and false. Let's try and I'll give a equal to b. So it's supposed to be false, okay? Let's try to search this. I'll copy this, I'll paste there after fixing, okay? So yes, a equal to b is not correct. I will give a equal to a now. So let's try a equal to a. If I click on execute, see this, you are in. So a equal to a is true, that's why it's came in you are in, otherwise it will give you the just blank. So yes, it's working now. If you will give true value, they will give you are in. It will if you will give false value, they will get nothing. So let's try this something this and database query, and if I'll give database name, let's say xyz. So if xyz will be there, then you will get a you are in. If not, then you will get nothing. So xyz is not there. Let's try as this is lab, I know security. Let's try this. See, you are in. Now your question is obvious that how we supposed to get the name. So that's why we cannot, basically we cannot predict the database name. Yes, we cannot assume the database name. Yes, in real world, whatever. So in this case, I've made something like this, and I will use substring function. Substring of what? Database. Now what? I will take first character of database. First character of first database. Okay, there may be multiple database. So it's the first character of first database, and I will compare this with the ABCD. So this way you will get the actual database name. Let's try this now. So I'm comparing only the first character. Let's say A is not there. I'll try B. B is not there. C is not there. Let's try P. P is not there. Q. Q is not there. R is not there. S. S is there. So we got to know that this is working. So we executed this. See this, and we found that this is a true value. So true value. True value. That means the first character of first database is what? S. Now let's fetch for second character. For this you have to increase this 1 to 2. So I'll give 1 to 2. 2. So 2 character is not S. So I'll try A, B, C, D, E. See this, on E you what you got? You got a true. That means second character of first database is E. So likewise you have to try, but this is very difficult for exploitation part, so don't worry, I will tell you the automation later on. So this way we have identified that there is a vulnerability, and that there is a blind boolean based SQLi. Okay, so this is called blind boolean based. So blind SQLi having two types, one is blind boolean based SQLi and another one is blind time based SQLi. We'll see this now. Blind time based SQLi. So let's go for lesson 9 now. Lesson 9, question mark id equal to 1. Let's do backslash. Okay, we are not getting anything. So in this case we are not getting anything. See, the page is not hiding, error you are not getting, so you cannot try union there, you cannot try order by there, you cannot try double query there, even error based there, even not blind boolean because they are not hiding your page. So where you gonna comparison then? So in this case I will use time based. For time based we don't know that they are using single quote, they are using double quote. I will use single quote and sleep 10, and if application will sleep for 10 seconds then they are using single quote and the application is vulnerable by blind time based SQLi. I will try double quote and sleep 10. If it will sleep for 10 seconds then I will get to know that they are using double quote and they are vulnerable by time based SQLi there. If I will use the single quote closing and sleep 10 minus plus, if this will sleep then I will get to know that they are using this and they are vulnerable for time based SQLi. Let's try by one. I'll try single quote and sleep 10 minus plus. Let's see this is sleeping or not. See this, they are sleeping for 10 seconds. That means this application is vulnerable. Now important is how to extract the database, because they are only sleeping for 10 seconds. Now how to extract for database? See this, for this extract database, how to extract database for blind time based SQLi. Okay, simple, very simple. I got to know they are executing single quotes. I'll give single quote and sleep 10, sleep when 1 equal to 1 or not. So let's try this now. So sleep only when n equal to 1 equal to 1. So I think you know what we are doing now. We are doing this. So you are making two and there. So one and will sleep, one and will comparison 1 equal to 1. So see this 1 equal to 1 is true. That's why they are executing the sleep commands and the application is sleeping for 10 seconds. If I'll give 1 equal to 2, it won't sleep. See this, it won't sleep. If I'll give 1 equal to 3, it won't sleep. Now I will give and database equal database function equal to, let's say, xyz, it won't sleep. So if I'll give a security there, they are sleeping for 10 seconds. See this. So I gave and it's sleeping. That means we are on the right track. Okay, this command is executing. This is a vulnerable. Okay, I gave this also xyz and it won't sleeping. So that's why we comparison the true and false value. It's not sleeping for 10 seconds. Okay, so this way we can enumerate database there. It's a blind time based SQLi there. I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session. It's not an end. Okay, so this is a time based. Balance query is necessary. You can use and sleep or sleep. Even you can use or 1 equal to and 1 equal to 1. If you will use or 1 equal to 2, there must be false value. Okay.